Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this good day, I will explain the basic concept of Statistika. Before I explain about it, I want to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Fani Oktaf Maharani. I'm from Japanese literature. So here we go. Statistika is the science of planning, collecting, analyzing, interpreting and presentation data. The science is concerned with the quantitative data. Statistika is also branch of applied mathematics. Okay, after that I will explain the definition of statistic. In Statistika, object of Statistika is statistic. So statistics, what is statistic means? Statistic is a collection of data results that are complete, precise, and presented in a graph, table, or etc. For example, data on population, data on income, and so on, which are more functional to serve administrative purpose. So, Statistika and statistics is different, not same. In Statistika, we study about statistics. Okay. After that, type of statistical analysis. Type statistical analysis divided by two. First, descriptive. I'm to present and describe data related to object or population related to the topic being studied. And the second is inferential. I'm to draw conclusion and be able to generalize the result of the conclusion to the population as a whole. Conclusion can only be drawn in the initial assumption have been made through valid method and valid data. Okay, the last I will explain is the type of data statistic. In statistic, the data in statistic divide into four. First is nominal. Nominal data is data used to table variables that have no quantitative value and have no order. What can be done with nominal data is to calculate frequency, proportion, and presentation. One example of nominal data is a language that mastered by several people. For example, A. Master Indonesian, B. Control English, C. Control Mandarin, and so on. Second one, ordinal. The data has an order so that we cannot just change the order of the data because it will affect the result of analysis. Apart from distinguishing something, it's also soft level, for example, the level of education and the level of user satisfaction. And the third one is interval. Interval data is that can be measured and can be sorted with the closest item but does not have absolute zero value. Example of year and temperature in Celsius. And the last is ratio. In the form of quantitative number that have absolute zero value and cannot be saved at will. With this data, we can calculate estimates and guesses from the data. Example are temperature in Kelvin, measurement of height, length, and mass. Okay, thank you for your attention. More or less, be forgive me. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.